Well, I actually met some local fishermen, and they talked about their grievances. They talked about the issues that they face. And I have 14 issues that I have studied over the last 1 month in Goa, and fishing is a big issue. I cannot believe that in the last decade, that fishing has deteriorated by 85%. Those are huge numbers. So I was discussing with them ways that we can subsidize their equipment. We can have subsidized rates for repairs of their equipment. Also for about 4-5 months of the year, during the monsoons, during ban, the same fisher people who their daily lifestyle, their daily living comes out of the ocean and the rivers. They don't get to earn. So how we can help that? So for me, it's about really finding tangible ways and sustainable ways on how we can better the lives of our fellow Goans. For me, it's all about learning now and the knowledge as to where we can make a difference and really doing it. I'm not here to talk a lot, I'm here to actually do something. So it's been a great learning today on my first day. It's wonderful coming back home. And out of the 14 issues that are there to look after in Goa, I've touched 4 already today. Well, for me, I have friends everywhere. As we know, being a professional athlete globally, I've represented the country all around the world. You win some, you lose some, you play against someone today and he's your friend tomorrow. As far as I'm concerned, I have friends everywhere. I welcome everybody. To me, it's not just about I am right and you are wrong, or you are right and I'm wrong. We're all Indians. We're all trying to do the best that we can for our people. The only difference here is there are doers and then there are talkers. For me, as far as I'm concerned, I want to come back, and why have I come into this line? To do for the people. I've done it for the last 30 years in tennis, and that is my history. Now that I've joined a new vehicle, I've just got a new vehicle to do the same work that I've done for 30 years, is to work for the people. And that's what I'm looking forward to doing. It's been amazing. For me, I actually was thinking that a lot of people would come and say, you've made the wrong move of joining politics, you've made the wrong move of doing this. I thought a lot of people would come and say, why did you go to this party and not that party and this party? And I'm sure that people are wondering why I've come into politics. For me, it's a business of doing good for the people. I've conducted my professional tennis career in a certain professionalism, in a certain manner, in a certain patriotism. For me, why I call it a business is there's a lot of database behind this. There's a lot of knowledge behind this. There's a whole professional team behind this. And also at the helm of the team, we've got a lady who is the captain of the team. For me, Mamta Didi has given me an opportunity to do good for our people, and that's something I'm really grateful for. I believe in her because she is a champion. I've known her since I was 8 years old. She's helped me a lot in my teens when I needed to travel abroad and did not have sponsorship and foreign exchange at the time. So for me, she's a doer. She's someone who, when she says something, she will do it. And at the same time, I feel that in my own journey here, it's about giving back. It's about doing for the people. It's about using my friendships or my relationships or my brand to actually do what I say I'm going to do. For me, it was really special coming back home to South Goa, to Veli, Asolna, Tolikanto. This is where my great-grandparents are from. To come here and visit my roots is really special. Also, it's very specifically done in the fact that today is my first day at campaign, and I wanted to start in my roots. For me, I think that tradition, history, just my last name, Payesh, means for the forefathers. So for me to come back and give back to the people starts here, starts in South Goa, and then the whole state.